Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the Iris USA 6QT. Plastic storage bins with lids. The best bins with lids for classrooms. If you're looking for a reliable, stackable storage solution to organize all your supplies, whether for a school, office, or home, you're in the right place. These bins are designed with versatility and durability in mind, and they've got some impressive features you won't want to miss. First off, the Iris USA bins are made from a strong polypropylene material that's resistant to breaking, so you can be sure they'll stand up to the wear and tear of a busy classroom environment. Each bin measures 14 inches long, 11 inches wide, and just over 3 inches high, which makes them the perfect size for storing papers, notebooks, pens, or even art supplies. Whether you're organizing craft supplies or keeping school papers safe and secure, these bins offer a practical solution for all your classroom storage needs. One of the standout features of these bins is the clear plastic design. This allows you to instantly spot what's inside, which is a huge time saver when you need to grab something quickly. No more digging through opaque containers, wondering where your supplies are. The clear plastic lets you see everything from every angle, keeping you organized and efficient. The lids are designed with sturdy buckle closures that secure the contents, so you don't have to worry about dust or liquids getting inside. The buckles keep everything safely sealed, ensuring your supplies stay protected, whether they're on a shelf or in transit. This makes them a great choice for classrooms where things might get knocked around a bit or where you need to keep sensitive materials safe from the elements. These bins are also stackable, which means you can easily store multiple bins on top of each other, saving valuable space. They're perfect for keeping your classroom organized without taking up too much room. And if you need to nest them away when they're not in use, they can stack inside each other, which helps maximize storage efficiency. Another great thing about these bins is their versatility. They're not just for classrooms, you can use them in your office, at home, or even in the garage. They're ideal for storing everything from craft supplies to paperwork to school supplies. And with their sleek, simple design, they fit in just about anywhere. Now, let's talk about the material itself. The bins are made in the USA, with high-quality, durable plastic that's built to last. These are not your flimsy, one-time use bins. They're designed to handle long-term use in a variety of settings, making them an excellent choice for anyone who needs sturdy, reliable storage solutions. Whether you're a teacher trying to organize your classroom or a parent looking for ways to keep your kids' school supplies in order, these Iris USA bins are a fantastic choice. Their sturdy build, stackable design, and secure lids make them the ideal storage solution for classrooms, home offices, or even your personal craft space. To wrap it up, the Iris USA 6QT. Plastic storage bins with lids are affordable, reliable, and versatile, making them the best bins for classrooms or any other area that needs organizing. They'll help you keep everything in its place, secure, and easy to find, making them an essential addition to your storage solutions. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with more great product reviews. See you next time.